the dolly in the computer.
Power Ranger watch.
I have a toolbox city.
And who better to ask than the man himself? Like most years, one toy in particular has captured the imagination.
Power Rangers mostly. Most of them want the green one or the red one. It's just Tommy or Jason.
But the latest Christmas craze has left supplies low. This was the answer to the parents' problem.
Customer announcement. Customer announcement. We now have Power Rangers available in aisle 8C.
An undignified crush. A few more Christmas wishes are granted, and not just for the children.
They're like gold dust, as you know, so it just so happened that they came out and everybody dived on them. I'm very pleased to have got it, obviously, because it was top of the list.
The Christmas rush is still in full swing, but at Bluebird Toys in Merthyr Tydful it started 4 months ago with 24-hour shifts to meet the demand for every conceivable type of toy. Not surprisingly, they have their own ideas on what makes the perfect present.
Probably father playing with the toys, mother and father as well. I suppose that's the secret, if it can keep the parents happy as well.
With Christmas Eve just hours away, there's still time to get that last-minute request in. And it seems the modern child is leaving nothing to chance. After all, flattery might get you everything.
What sort of a man do you think he is?
A very nice man.